Thanks so much for staying with us and welcome back. Now we do have a high pressure ridge that's building across the Caribbean this evening. We do have stable conditions covering most of the area. We still have, however, those isolated thunderstorms which continue to develop in moisture convergence across the region. We still have moisture across the Caribbean, and we're expecting that this high pressure ridge dominates the area for most of this weekend, and going into next week we do expect it to also intensify, and drier conditions are forecast, especially as we move into next week. The forecast for tonight is for generally fair skies across the island. Temperatures are dropping to 24 degrees Celsius in Kingston and also in Montego Bay, with 5-knot winds on both coasts. In the morning tomorrow, it's mostly cloudy. We're expecting some isolated showers across inland areas, but mostly cloudy conditions persist across much of the area. In the afternoon, look for more of those isolated showers, mainly across inland areas of western parishes. It's partly cloudy to mostly cloudy otherwise. Temperatures are reaching 31 degrees Celsius in Kingston, 32 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay. Now, the breakdown has it partly cloudy for most of the southeast tomorrow. Expect some isolated showers if you're in Mandeville or in Santa Cruz in the afternoon. We're expecting also isolated showers for Black River. Isolated showers also in the afternoon in Savannah, Lamar and the Grill. Expected to be partly cloudy if you're further in the east, that's in Richmond and Moortown, while we're expecting isolated showers also across sections of inland areas, that's in Duncan's, Trelawney, also in Grange Hill and in Christiana. Similar conditions for Moco in Clarendon. And the sunset time in Kingston tomorrow is at 14 minutes after 6. Sunset time at the Grill Point is 20 minutes after 6. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening, but we thank you so much for watching.